If your kid said, "Daddy, what's peace?" what would you say?
A peace? What, in our household or just overall peace?
Wherever.
Wherever. So if everybody can live in a harmony, don't have any killings. What else?
You think it's possible?
No.
You don't think it's possible? You think man is too stupid?
Yes, that's for sure.
All right.
You're my good buddy, even though you're a Washington fan.
You're a Cowboys fan. You think Cowboy and Redskin fans can ever get along?
See? No, that's just one example, having peace. No, I don't think so.
George.
And what is peace?
What? Peace?
Yeah.
We.
In German? Or you're from Germany, right?
No.
Where are you from?
I'm from Iran.
You from Iran?
Yeah.
You speak
Armenian.
Armenian?
Farsi, Persian.
Okay, say something in Armenian about peace. What is it? Can we create it?
Hagavutun, it's peace.
Yeah. How do we create it?
We create it. It's other people, the big people create peace, not me.
Oh, you're the one. say something in Iranian. In Armenian.
Peace?
Yeah.
Sol, azadi. It's same peace in Iranian language.
Okay. All right, thank you.
In Russian language, Svoboda.
Ah. And what other language you speak?
Only 4.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeria.
Yeria?
Yeah.
How do we create peace?
الانتصار.
Say something in Arabic. How do we create peace?
العربي يقول انه انتصار، نحن انتصرنا. انتصار.
Baruch
Minas.
What language do you speak?
I speak Farsi, Armenian, English, Germany. What else?
Okay, let's start off, say, with Germany. How do they say peace in Germany? Frieden? Something like that?
The Farsi, I can say Farsi. برای همه مردم جهان موفقیت اعلام میکنم.
All right. How do we create peace in the world?
No war.
No war?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you think it's possible?
I don't think so.
You don't think it's possible?
I don't think so.
You don't think man has evolved far enough yet?
No.
Okay. Say that in Armenian.
երբեք կռիվը չի վերջանալու։ Միշտ կռիվ ելնելու է եւ կա եղել է միշտ ելնելու է դա։